Alright, let's get your network cabling and physical install game tight. Picture two closets. On the left, spaghetti cables, mystery ports, fans screaming. On the right, labeled patch panels, tidy Velcro bundles, cool and quiet. I'm going to show you how to build the second one. Clean, reliable, and easy to maintain. Start with the plan. Walk the space. Measure runs. Map outlets to a rack location. Choose the right media. Cat5e is the budget baseline. Cat6 is the current sweet spot. Cat6a for 10 gig up to 100 meters. Fiber for long runs or backbone. Check building code. Plenum rated CMP for air handling spaces. Riser rated CMR for vertical shafts. Follow standards. TIA EIA 568 says a channel is 100 meters max. 90 meters permanent link plus 10 meters of patch cords. Maintain bend radius, about 4 times the cable diameter for copper. No kinks. Keep data away from electrical, at least 6 to 12 inches parallel. Cross at 90 degrees. Avoid ballasts and motors to reduce EMI. Pathways matter. Use J-hooks, cable trays. Conduit with room to grow. Fill to 40-60%, not 100. Don't choke bundles. Use Velcro, not over-tight zip ties. Leave service loops command milo. One no. One surne, one romano. Small, neat, not giant coils. At the rack, pick a 19-inch standard rack or an enclosed cabinet. Space your gear for airflow. Route patch cords through management. Add a PDU, add a UPS. Bond and ground per code. Termination time. Patch panels and keystone jacks should be punched down, not crimped plugs on solid cable. Stick to one wiring scheme. T568B is common, end to end. For fiber, protect connectors. Respect polarity. Clean before you connect. Label everything. Outlets, patch panel ports, cables, rack units. Use a consistent scheme that maps location to port to device. Test and document. Use a certifier if you can, or at least a tester for continuity. Wire map. Length. POE. Fix failures now, not after the desks roll in. Save floor plans, port maps, photos for handoff. Checklist. Before you start, site survey, cable count, and pathways approved. Materials, correct cable rating, patch panels, keystones, J-hooks or tray, Velcro and labels, tools, punch-down tool, cable stripper, crimper for patch cords, tone and probe, fish tape or rods, tester or certifier, labeler and PPE. During install, verify power is off where you pull near electrical, pull smooth, respect bend radius, no tight bundles. Terminate to T568B, seat pairs fully, no untwist beyond half an inch. Manage at the rack, horizontal and vertical managers, short patch cords. Separate data from power, maintain airflow, and ground the rack. After install, test every drop, document results. Label ports and outlets to the map. Clean the closet, cap spares, and photograph final state. Provide the map, tester reports, and a quick user guide. Do it right once and your network stays fast, quiet, and stress-free. Let's build the tidy closet.